If you want healthier cucumber plants and a bigger harvest, it is important to focus on more than just watering and fertilizing. Problems such as yellowing leaves, poor growth, and low fruit production are often signs that the plant needs better care and management. Fortunately, a few simple techniques can help cucumbers stay vigorous, productive, and healthy throughout the growing season. Today, we will look at 2 practical methods that can improve plant health and increase cucumber yields naturally. Method number 1. Yellow leaves are a common problem in cucumber plants and can be caused by poor drainage, nutrient deficiencies, or pest attacks. Identifying and addressing these issues early can help restore healthy growth and prevent further decline. Start by checking the soil around the base of the plant. Repeated watering can compact the soil, making it difficult for air and water to move properly around the roots. Gently loosen the top layer of soil without damaging the roots. This improves drainage, increases oxygen flow, and helps the roots absorb nutrients more effectively. Next, provide additional nutrition using a simple compost and molasses mixture. Add well-rotted compost to a bucket of water, along with a small amount of molasses. Then mix thoroughly and allow it to sit for several hours. This solution provides nutrients while also supporting beneficial soil microbes that help make nutrients more available to plants. Apply the liquid around the base of the cucumber plant every couple of weeks. If pests are present, neem oil can help control many common insects such as aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. Mix a small amount of neem oil with water, stir well, and spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Applying the spray during the early morning or late evening helps reduce the risk of leaf damage from direct sunlight. By improving soil conditions, supplying nutrients, and controlling pests, cucumber plants can often recover from yellowing leaves and return to healthy, productive growth. Method number 2. Many gardeners focus on feeding their cucumber plants, but overlook the importance of proper vine management. 2 simple pruning techniques can encourage stronger growth and significantly increase the number of cucumbers produced. The second technique is removing the first few baby cucumbers that appear on a young plant. Although it may seem counterproductive, early fruit development can slow overall plant growth. A young plant that is forced to support fruit too soon may develop a weaker root system and fewer branches. By removing the earliest cucumbers, the plant can focus on building stronger roots, thicker stems, and more foliage. Once the vine is well established, it can support a much larger crop without becoming stressed. The first technique is pinching or cutting the growing tip of the main vine once it reaches about 2 to 3 feet in length. Removing the tip encourages the plant to produce side branches instead of putting all its energy into vine length. These side shoots often produce more female flowers, which are the flowers that develop into cucumbers. More branching also means more leaves and a larger surface area for capturing sunlight. This allows the plant to generate more energy and support heavier fruit production later in the season. Together, these 2 pruning methods help create a stronger and more productive cucumber plant that continues producing throughout the growing season. With proper soil care, balanced nutrition, pest management, and a few simple pruning techniques, cucumber plants can stay healthier, produce greener foliage, and deliver a much larger harvest. Small adjustments like these often make a noticeable difference and can help gardeners enjoy stronger plants and more cucumbers all season long. Now let's move to another organic liquid, which is very useful when your cucumber plants stop growing.
When you apply this homemade mixture, you'll notice a rapid transformation. Your cucumbers will start expanding, their green foliage turn more vibrant, and visibly enter a phase of vigorous growth, setting the stage for a plentiful harvest. Cucumbers can stall in growth for various reasons after being planted outdoors. One of the most common causes is unstable spring temperatures. When night temperatures fall below 10 degrees Celsius, cucumbers tend to stop growing completely, and in severe conditions they may even die off. Poor development can also result from inadequate watering. However, if your plants look unaffected by cold or lack of moisture, the most likely issue is a nutrient deficiency. When that's the case, this simple homemade fertilizer can help rejuvenate them. To prepare the mixture, you'll need a liter of warm water, a tablespoon of dry yeast, and a tablespoon of sugar. Pour the warm water into a mixing container. Then stir in the dry yeast. You might wonder what yeast brings to the table. Yeast introduces beneficial microorganisms to the soil, which help break down organic matter and unlock nutrients, making them more accessible to your plants. It essentially kickstarts the biological activity your garden needs. Once the yeast is added, mix in the sugar. This serves as food for the yeast fungi, allowing them to become more active and reproduce quickly. Cover the container loosely with plastic or a lid to protect it from sunlight, which can reduce the effectiveness of the fermentation process. Let the mixture sit for at least 2 hours so fermentation can properly take place. While you wait, you can turn your attention to some light gardening tasks. Clear any weeds that might be competing with your cucumbers for nutrients and space. If your cucumber patch is overcrowded, thin out the weaker plants so the healthier ones have room to thrive. Using a small fork or cultivator, gently loosen the top inch of soil around each plant. This helps the soil breathe and improves nutrient absorption. Before applying the liquid fertilizer, it's a good idea to enrich the soil with some organic matter. Well-aged manure or a handful of wood ash can be very helpful. Wood ash in particular contains calcium, potassium, and various micronutrients that support strong plant growth. Check the soil's moisture level. If it feels dry to the touch, give it a good watering first. Moisture is essential because the yeast-based mixture needs a damp environment to be fully effective. After the fermentation period, dilute your homemade fertilizer by mixing 1 part of the solution with 5 parts of warm water. This ensures it's gentle enough for your plants while still delivering a strong nutrient punch. Applying it in its concentrated form might overwhelm your cucumbers, so dilution is key. What makes this feeding method so effective is the way yeast functions in the soil. As a living fungus, yeast produces carbon dioxide and helps decompose organic substances, breaking them down into forms that are easily absorbed by plant roots. Gardeners have used this method for years because it consistently leads to healthier, faster-growing cucumber plants. Here's a little bonus tip: this same homemade feed isn't just great for cucumbers. It's also very effective for helping young pepper, tomato, and eggplant seedlings get a strong start during their early stages of growth. If you found this advice helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with fellow gardeners. Thank you for joining us today.